What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Redstone, and I have a special video for y'all today. Today we are taking a limited production supercar, 2 cars and coffee, one of 500 made in the world. So make sure y'all stay tuned. There it is, the LEXUS. There it is, the LEXUS LFA, y'all. Let me know what you guys think about how that sounds, man. Let's take a quick walk around of this beautiful LFA. One of 500 in the world, man. Beautiful. V10 sounds incredible. Looks very beautiful with the red accents and the chrome wheels. This silver is hidden on it. It is so beautiful. Like, just look at it. It's not every day y'all get to see a Lexus LFA, and it's not every day you do get to get a ride in one as well. Look at the wing up on this bad boy. It is just beautiful. And personally, my favorite thing about the Lexus LFA, right, is the 3 exhaust tips down at the bottom. So, hey, let's get straight into it, man. Ooh. So we are about to hop in this bad boy and head straight to Cars and Coffee, y'all. So out of the 500 in the world, y'all, this is number 163. Look at that, right? So we are inside of the Lexus LFA right now, as y'all can see. So let's hear this exhaust. Go. Those downshifts are just beautiful, man. Alrighty, y'all, so we've made it to Cars and Coffee. Here it is, man. The beautiful Lexus LFA. Look at that, beautiful red guts. Nice chrome wheels again. Once again, thank you for the experience, man. Riding the Cars and Coffee in the Lexus LFA. That is wild. Oh, look at that Porsche. Oh my. So y'all, I'm gonna give y'all some information on this Porsche 911 GT2 right here. This is a 1997, and only 194 were made in the world of this bad boy. And this bad boy goes for $2 million plus, 2.3 million. And there's a Sheepy Racing twin turbo Huracan Performante coming through, the Aventador SV with the Gitani exhaust as well. But let's take another look at this rare beast, because you normally do not see this car out in public driving, and there is a beautiful 720S coming through as well. But this, to me, right here is the star of the show because of how exclusive and rare this car is, and it's in Guards Red. There's only 2 out here in Houston of the 911 GT2s, 1997s, y'all. It's absolutely crazy. So let me know what you guys think about this spec right here in Guards Red, and there is a blue one out here as well. We've only seen the white one at the white collection. Nice chrome exhaust tips too, man. Yo, a few cars are pulling in. You do have this beautiful Porsche. There's an Alfa Romeo 4C right there. There's another Porsche coming in, and that's the Huracan that we've seen rolling through. And oh my God, hold on. Is that a Baja vehicle right there in the back? Look at that. What the heck, y'all? That's wild. Look at this. Yo, that thing is, look at the tires. Oh my goodness. So next up right here, there is a beautiful gray 911 coming in with these very sexy calibers on it too as well. Let me know what you guys think about this spec. And we're gonna take a look at this wing, because this wing is different. All right, look at that. Crazy carbon on the wing. Oh my goodness. Look at this R35 GTR. We need this. Beautiful R35. Oh my goodness. Look at that with the arm on the back. Do know that that is our dream car right there. One day we will get that bad boy. Not even playing with y'all. Bring that Aston Martin through. That is what we are waiting for, the Aston Martin. But just look at this bad boy. Look at that. Beautiful. And it sounds good too. With the HRE wheels on it, the man in the machine always pulling up in something clean, man. Hey, beautiful V12 with the DJI mic on the back, clipped on as well. Oh, look what else is coming through, y'all. This crazy color on this 765 LT. Oh my God, that looks nasty. Imagine if the brake calipers was actually matching the paint too, though. Look at that. That's absolutely gorgeous. What's the name of this color? Let me know the name of the color down below in the comments. And look at the exhaust. Oh my God. That is a fat exhaust, bro. With the carbon accents, that's why the 600 LT and the 765 is one of my favorite McLaren models besides the P1, y'all. There's a very, very beautiful Porsche right here in this gorgeous gray color. Really do love the 911 STs. And then you have this crazy 4GT right here. Look at these wheels. Those are some beautiful HREs with the carbon going around the rim as well. And then you have the Ferrari F355 Burl leather. And that thing absolutely sounds menacing, bro. Oh my goodness. But this 4GT, this thing is nasty. Beautiful diffuser underneath it too, with the nice exhaust tips on the back as well. Let me know what you guys think about this 4GT, because honestly, I'm really digging this spec a lot. Like those HREs, when's the last time y'all actually seen a 4GT with HREs on it? Really? Take a nice front shot at this beautiful Ferrari coming through. And I didn't notice, but this Ferrari has HREs on it too as well. That's nasty, bro. Like, wow, 2 cars with HREs on it. That's absolutely crazy, man. Beautiful red on it too. Let me know what you guys think about the F355 down below in the comments, man. That exhaust sounds crazy. Oh my goodness. Okay, y'all, I ain't gonna lie. Dude probably about to pass out right now because the Perfect Monte has went through with the GT4 and the GT3 RS right here in this beautiful shark blue color with the black and gold GT3 RS followed up behind it. And you do have an Acura NSX right there too as well that you don't see every day, but that's a fat wing on that GT3, bro. I'm not gonna lie. Dude might need rollers of that black and gold GT3. And then you do have this 911 coming through. Beautiful Turbo S with the red interior as well. It's a lot of cars coming through. And am I having deja vu, or is that a second Acura NSX coming through? Is it a second one, or am I having deja vu? With HREs as well, that's wild. And then you do have another beautiful GT3 coming through. Like, that's crazy. With the lava orange too though. Crazy wheels too as well. And then I wanna say this is 718 spotter, probably not. Spotter RS as well. And these wheels are clean on this GT3. Not even gonna lie to you. So it's just a mob of cars coming through. You do have, I want to say this might be the first generation Gallardo coming through. If it is, he needs a twin turbo because it does sound absolutely crazy. And then you do have another GT3 as well. Like, bro, you're going to hear Porsche and GT3 a lot inside of this clip because it's so many pulling up. And hold up, is that an orange GT4 RS right there? It is, y'all. Look at this. There's an orange GT4 RS right there as well. Oh my God. I can't remember the last time that I've actually seen a Porsche anyway inside of this beautiful orange color. And then we do have like this, maybe it's a throw up color, I don't know, on a Porsche, but it's nice though, with a GTR followed behind it. So since this clip is like almost 2 minutes long, like, bro, just admire the cars coming through. Just admire the cars coming through. And personally, you already know, my favorite, the R35 GTR, bro, with the beautiful OZ wheels on it too, modified exhaust too as well, D3 Motorsports license plate, and look at this beautiful purple with these chrome wheels, bro. Chrome going around the rims too as well with the nasty spec, beautiful roll cage in there as well, yellow stitching, crazy, man. Fat wing too as well. Y'all, there's a crazy lineup of cars coming through, bro. You got the F12 Berlinetta, one of my favorite Ferraris right here with the red interior. Beautiful Porsche 911 Turbo with these very sexy wheels on it. Oh my God, that thing looks gorgeous. And then you do have this nasty F8 Tributo. At first I thought it was gray, but it's not. It's actually like a faded forest green color or something. Very nice yellow accents. Those wheels are absolutely menacing. And then you do have the 720S behind it. And what I like to call them is clouds or floaters. There's a Tesla coming through, y'all. But nah, look at that 720S. That thing looks beautiful, but that F8 Tributo is just nasty. Y'all, there is a Lamborghini Murcielago pulling up right now. Let me know the last time y'all have actually seen a Murcielago at the meets out here, man. This caddy, what do you think about this Murcielago right here?
That mug right there, boy. Hey, I love Murcielago and it's the roast.
Yep. Imagine driving that in Miami, man. Ooh. Oh yeah, y'all. Some more supercars are pulling in. It's pretty early today. I believe the show has not started up, but you do have the 458 coming in with the peanut butter interior, and then you do have this beautiful Huracan Technical with the Huracan Evo sitting right next to it, with the green calibers on the side of it too as well. Look at that. And then you have this white on white Civic Type R. That thing looks good with the carbon fiber wing on the back. I do love Civic Type R's as well too, man. But beautiful Huracan Evo and Technica. Crazy cars, man. So if y'all know what this is, let me know down below in the comments, because I have no idea what Ferrari this is coming through, y'all. Like, I don't know. So give me some information on that down below in the comments. With even a yellow GT3 RS on the back of it too. And then you have another one. Like, I don't know if this is Cars or Coffee or if it's Porsche Day. You feel me? Because there's so many Porsches. Like, look at them. It's a lot of Porsches that just pulled up. They just mobbing the streets together. Oh man, just enjoying them though, bro. Oh yeah, y'all. Look at this Cadillac right here though. This is a nasty spec right here on this Cadillac, bro. Beautiful, beautiful color, beautiful wheels. Really digging the spokes. Let's take a look at the hood real quick. Oh my Lord. Oh, look at the sound system on that. Look at that. Hustletown, Texas, y'all. LEDs up in there and everything. You see, I can get jiggy with this right here, y'all. I can really get jiggy with this. You know, these wheels are way better than the elbows sticking out, you know. Beautiful too as well.
Boy, so he's way better than the elbows sticking out.
So y'all, it does look like a McLaren Senna has pulled in. Hold on, y'all. Let's see. Is that a McLaren Senna or am I tripping? Is that a Senna, a P1, and an LFA? Hold up, y'all, because that's really what it's looking like. Oh, yeah, that's heat right there. That's heavy duty. Like, look at that. Look at all of the people. They look like tiny ants, y'all. That's absolutely wild. But nah, this is crazy footage right here, man. It really is. Alrighty, y'all, so we pretty much got most of our shots, so let's bring it up a little bit, you know. Go towards it real quick. You know, and just look at all of the cars that pulled in. Look at that. You got the Murcielago right there. It's a lot of cars, man. A lot. But now the event's so good so far. If y'all enjoying this content, be sure to leave a like and subscribe. And thanks for stopping by the channel, man. Like, just look at all of these cars. Like, look at that. That's absolutely crazy, man. That's absolutely wild. Look at my friend right there snapping a photo of the drone. That's hilarious. We zoomed in on the... Yeah, I got you, y'all. Alrighty, y'all, so that was pretty much Cars and Coffee. If y'all enjoyed, be sure to leave a like and subscribe. And thanks for stopping by the channel, man. I will see y'all in the next YouTube video. And stay tuned, because I do have an upcoming trip coming up. And all I'm going to say is, I'm going to give y'all a hint of one of the cars you might see. Stay tuned for a McLaren Solus GT. I'll see y'all inside of the next YouTube video, man. Peace out, y'all.